Hello everyone, today we are at 650 East 17th Street. We're showing a studio. Here the studio is located on the second floor and it's unit number 8. At the very entry we see a long closet with a lot of storage room and 2 sliding doors with long mirrors. Very nice, very pretty. As we walk into the room, this is your living space slash bedroom. I like to point out the large window for a lot of light, and your nice laminate brand new flooring. Going towards the kitchen, we will find a nice chocolatey combination of colors with tile floors. Electric stove and refrigerator is included. And tile floors. And the last part of this studio is the bathroom, which is really spacious. Here is the bathroom. You have a long mirror with your vanity, toilet, and a very clean tub. Just a general view of the entire bathroom. And this is at 650 East 17th Street. It's a studio and it's for rent. And we're looking for tenants. Thanks for watching.